So yan, today magtutour kami. Saan punta natin, Rib?
Shketa. Ay. Jeval.
Jeval? So yun, anyway. Kung saan man yan. May tour guide naman. So hinahanap lang namin yung tour guide namin kung nasan siya. Hindi na daw siya. 10 o'clock yung call time. It's 9:51. So maaga pa kami ng 10.
Okay. Where are you from, my dear?
I'm from Philippines.
You will visit 2 UNESCO sites. You will have churchkala tasting, local bazaars, souvenirs, and wine tasting in the end.
Welcome to Georgia!
Oh, guys, give me 5. Enjoy life. Bye bye. Bye bye. I wish you best day in your life.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye, Otto.
Bye!
Bye. Nice day.
Alright, so once again, welcome to Georgia!
Try namin yung mga candies, no? Tsaka ice cream na may wine. So this is the ice cream wine.
Guys, where we are? In Georgia! What's the name of Georgia in Georgian way? Sakavelo! Sakavelo! I love you guys. A little bit.
So we'll try again with more wine.
You're going to get
Guys, it's a candy time. It's traditional Georgian candy. Don't worry, it's a pure grape juice without any extra additional sugar. And you know what's amazing? They make a fiber full of walnuts prepared, and when they boil the grape juice, a natural sweetness makes it easier to get stuck. The best part for me is that you can keep it up to 1 year. I love it. Tasting. We just love it. One follow.
Please.
Thank you.
Guys, remember, in Georgia we have more.
Lalasing na ako dito.
So I can put it back.
Sure.
It's dry.
Okay na to.
It's dry.
Dry, that
Ako
No,
din eh.
dry, no problem.
See
I
the
take
difference.
new glass and. Oh, this is amazing.
Lasing na
I don't know. This is amazing. Yes.
So yun nga, tapos lang namin mag-wine tasting. Nahilo ako. Parang nalasing ako dun.
Babe, mag-picture tayo ulit. Dalawa tayo dito.
Good morning! Nginit na dito ngayon. So yan na nga. Second day ng tour namin. 10:36 na at mainit na dito.
Ladies and gentlemen! Ladies and gentlemen! Ring Georgia! How many kilos today? 44 kilos! Miss Good, Miss Friendship, Miss Relationship, our company future, young lady, best dancer of salsa, best dancer of twerk. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chica number 7! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Ring Georgia, how many kilos today? 72 kilos. Miss, the best singer in our team. Mr. Friendship, Mr. Relationship, best dancer of twerk.
Me too.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my best friend, Rasha Gay. Hi, bye, guys.
Lagot na naman ako. Kaya first stop wine tasting. Kahapon nalasing ako. Ano lang yun? Isang shop lang yun.
Kaya nga.
Yan talaga yung tour na may wine tasting. So, good luck sa akin. Hindi na lang siguro ako iinom masyado. Bread making.
So when you are making it, it is like long-shaped bread. The back side you can see it. If you want to try, if you don't want to bake yourself, you can buy from there as well. Like up to you. Now, who wants to try? She will help you. She will show you. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. So once again, it costs 10 lari per person. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's bake the bread first, and it will be uncomfortable. Now you can take it.
Threw the coals back, threw this big pizza dough right down on the sand.
So you should do some
Drops
bread
of
down
coals
now.
back.
Oh,
15
go
minutes.
differ.
It brushes the coals off, picks the bread up. It gets rid of the sand and then brushes it right away. That's the best bread.
It's okay, she will do it.
I have my lenses on.
Four. Oh, okay. Put it in place.
Sure.
So you're going deeper. It's perilous hot. It should be slab first.
Oh my god.
It's so hot.
Well done! It's the first time when 100% of guests tried this. Like all of them. So I see you're a very interesting group. Okay guys, amazing, well done. Now we need around 15 minutes until it will be ready. So we can use this time to go outside, take some pictures, do wine tasting, and on the way back she will make it ready and we can take it. Okay? Okay? Yeah.
Good luck, Rick. Wine tasting na. Untog pa ako dun ah.
Kaya.
Ang init kasi.
Sakit lang kaya ako yung kinakabahan ako.
So yan, wine tasting tayo na. Malalasing na naman ako nito. Good luck na naman sa akin. Ito yung mga wine. Ito may mga number.
Philippines.
Yes.
Tagay hanggang mamatay.
Tagay hanggang mamatay.
Sino Katuladagi's ha? Kami sa gold.
Tagay hanggang mamatay daw.
Nakuha mo yun sa video?
Shot puno daw.
Shot puno. Salamat.
Shot puno daw, shot puno. Shot puno.
Where I'm at.
Pangatlo. Nahilo na ako. Medyo lang. Feeling ko mamaya, lasing na naman ako.
Pero ang sarap, babe.
Malamig kasi.
Masarap ka.
Good luck mamaya. Lasing na ako, feeling ko.
You know a lot of words, ha?
Tagalo, yes.
Ito na ba yan? Yan? Pag may alak,
Pag may alak,
may balak. Ang kulit na yate. Lasing na ako. Pangapat na ba to? Pangapat na to.
Ayoko na, guys. Shot. Put 60% alcohol.
Ayun o. Shot po na ako. Lasing na nga tayo eh.
These people are alcoholics. You have to know that, guys. They drink like a woof, woof, woof.
Lambanog.
Lambanog. Thank you.
Virginia.
So, look,
Cha-cha.
inside, take the air, drink, and then release the air.
How is it?
I'm here, Calma, Jules. Look at him.
Gambar Diyos. Gambar Diyos.
I like that. Who are you, man?
Gusto mo?
A Georgian.
Oh my God.
I told you. He can drink like a beast.
Showing off.
Well done.
Need some more alcohol.
Look at that. He's like.
Nakailang siya tayo dun.
Buta, apat ata yun.
Tapos may chacha. Eh, yung chacha, ang taas ng alcohol nun, yung last.
60% yun, guys.
Ano oras pa lang dito? Tanghaling tapat. Tanghaling tapat naglalasing.
Thursday.
Ito na, feeling ko lasing na talaga ako. Shot ko no. Sabi nga ni ate. Shot hanggang mamatay.
Mamatay daw.
Ang kulit eh.
Ang kulit nun eh.
Better wine. Nahihilong ako rin. Yung tuhod ko is namamanhid. So ito yung ginawa namin ito kanina. Tignan natin. Matigas yung labas, na crunchy. Pero yung loob, malambot.
I will shut it up.
Now I will give you masterclass how you should not sing. Okay? Ay 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 amor. Ay mi morena de mi corazón.
Third location. Anong location to rin? City of Signal, City of Love daw.
City of Love.
Yes. So, let's see. Tapos may wine tasting na naman. Di pa nga ako nakaka-recover. Actually sa inom kanina. Pero, nandito na tayo eh. Try na natin.
This is query which was covered underground, as I was telling you. When we squeeze grapes with skin and everything, we put inside those queries.
Oh my god!
They have a special thing.
Oh my God! Wait, man! Let's look at that. Wait. All right, get a lid. Hi. That's the picture of the year.
Popular types of grapes. We're making different kind of wine. We're making brandy. We're making vodka. We're making grape juice or churchkela because this is very popular types of grapes.
And when it's dry,
Parang alam mo,
let's go. Let's tell you.
buo siya. Mas full siya flavor. Tikman mo.
You get in. It's like, ooh. Drink it like a Georgian.
Put it on glass
Sarap.
because it's a
Pangit
this
lang
kind
ito.
of grapes very sweet, like fish. Называется
Just with the center of it, you can.
Pangapat.
Even if you remove this ocean.
Grabe yung smooth, no?
Ha?
Grabe yung smooth.
Di ba? Parang ramdam ko lang parang bad.
Grapes very sweet. Anytime fermentation natural is much
Panglima.
Between the two of us and the...
So, actually, they built this wall para sa war before. Parang protection nila. Parang Great Wall of China daw, sabi. So, as you can see, andun siya. Hanggang sa ating mountains. Tapos, nakita niyo yung view na yan? Yan, oh. Napakaganda. Oh. O lasing lang ako. Dami ko na test na wine. So yan, tatry namin itong Ajarian Khachapuri. Sikat dito. So dapat halo dito. Bunot ko ito, ganito daw ito eh. At madilim na. Tapos, you go all the way. Sarap. So, today is Sunday. Saan tayo punta?
To the moon.
Sisimba muna kami. So, meron kasing English mass ng ng 10 AM. So, yun. Simba muna. Here na sa Chronicles daw, sabi ni Riva. So, hindi ko pa alam kung ano ba meron dito.
Ganda talaga pag nag-DIY kami. With my best DIY buddy. I love you. Ano nga ba?
So, ayan. Sculpture and Architecture Complex. Medyo paangat na naman to. Hiking mode. Bakit na? Natin. Parang may show pa dun sa loob. Tingnan natin. May mga batang may mga gitara. Yan. This is Chronicles. Ayun yung cross ni Saint Nino. Pictorial yata ito mga estudyante siguro. Parang class picture lang eh. So this is the view from the top. Ano yun? Lake Rib?
Ha?
Lake, no? So ayan, kung makapansin nyo yung mga walls. May mga relics. It's all about Christianity. So Jesus Christ. Same here. Ito si Mama Mary. So siguro may may sequence, may kwento. Hindi lang natin alam exactly kung ano yan. Chicken table, pork barbecue with potatoes, eggplant with walnut. So yeah, try muna natin itong pork. Thank you. Chicken liver. Try natin itong eggplant with masarap no? Eggplant with walnut. Beans. Adurog na yung walnut. Okay lang din. Cornbread. Parang ano? Ash brown. Pero corn. Yung lasa.
Yan naman pala.
Nga. All in all. Yan. Sarap naman yung mga na-order namin. Tapos, sobrang mura lang din ang pagkain. Ito, dos lang. Ito, 8.
9.
9. Ito, 7. Ito, 5 lang. 6. Kasi ito, dos lang. Sulit na. Mas maganda naman yung lugar. Nasa loob kami ng parang room. So yun, nag-aantay lang kami dito sa bus stop. Try naman namin mag-bus ngayon. Pauwi. Yan. Yan, dumating na yung bus namin. After ilang minutes. So yun, grabe magpatakbo yung bus driver. Pakabilis, alog-alog kami sa loob. Eh, nakatayo pa naman kami.
Ito tayo.
Sumakit katawan ko dun ah.
Kaya nga.
Frozen yogurt. Ang lamig pa naman ngayong gabi. So ayun nga, last day namin today. Tapos mamayang madaling araw yung flight namin pabalik na akong Dubai.
Ito.
Tinanghali kami ng gising, so ang ending, na-miss namin yung free breakfast sa hotel. So maghanap na kami ng mapapagkapehan. Meron naman siguro dito. Meron ding park dito, malapit lang sa hotel namin. Mga pambata. So papunta kami ng bus stop ngayon. Nag-bus lang kami. Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Lovelock Bridge.
Lovelock Bridge daw.
Sa old town.
Old Georgia. So, try namin dito sa National Botanical Garden of Georgia. Kami sa Japanese Garden. Maidan Bazaar. Sorry. Ano meron dito? Bazaar.
Bazaar.
Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Oh.
Pagkain nila. Umupo na tayo. Ito na talaga yung pagkain. Ito mo gusto.
Все? Ерунда? Вот, пожалуйста.
Thank you.
Easy, sir. Natural.
Ah.
So marami silang ganito eh. Ang sarap. Sa mga streets nila. Parang street food nila to eh. Pero fresh. Patigin mo ano po mag-green. Sarap.
Sarap din ito. Wait, yung orange niya yung masarap. This one.
Tatry namin to.
Just one.
Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Hindi siya matamis actually. Walnut lang siya na may.
Eh di bili pa tayo niyan.
Ano ang pinag-sponsor ko? Brand daw nila to dito.
Tawa ko. At piso lang.
Pisong popcorn. Yan na yung dinner niya. Ito yan. Grabe tago, no? Paano malalaman na ito ay isang kainan? Sa kainan pala to.
Ayun. Yan yung pangalan. Yan yung pangalan. Kung gano'n kadami lang.
Ano siyang bahay lang.
We're here at Sophia Dukan.
Look. So yan, try ulit natin ang King Kali. Dapat ganito, di ba? Ang init.
Kita ka sa parang na-overcook na yun.
Ha?
Overcook mo.
Pwede ba, sir? So ayan, dinagdagan pa kami ng
Dalawa pa.
Libre na daw yung isa dyan. Kasi actually, 6 yung in-order namin, 5 lang yung sinerve. Tapos yung dagdag ng 2. Lamig sa labas. Delay ang flight namin. Dapat 5:45 ang alis. 5:27 pa. So late. Ready ka na? Oo, yeah. Bitin. Ginaw na kami, may naiwan pa palang isa. Siya na lang inaantay oh. Slow mo pa siya. Ginaw na kami, papalakbang ko itong pag-akyan. Wala pa kaming tulog. Pauwi na Dubai. Umaga na. Sana wala ulit kami katabi para malaki-laki yung pwesto. Let's see.
Is there for your safety first, then comfort, so please pay attention.
So ayan, breakfast muna. Back in Dubai.